Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best Candida Diet Cookbook is probably one of the most essential resources for anyone embarking on the Candida diet. This cookbook provides a wealth of recipes tailored to eliminate sugar and processed foods, which are known to exacerbate Candida overgrowth. It offers a structured approach to meal planning, ensuring that you can enjoy delicious and satisfying meals while adhering to the dietary restrictions. Number 5. Candida Cure Cookbook, Recipes for Health and Vitality. Are you struggling with the effects of Candida overgrowth? This cookbook offers a solution. It provides delicious recipes to help you reset your health and restore your vitality. Inside, you'll find a variety of recipes designed to combat Candida. These recipes are not only effective but also incredibly tasty, making it easier to stick to your dietary goals. This cookbook is your guide to a healthier lifestyle. It helps you to eliminate the foods that feed Candida. It promotes a balanced diet that supports your body's natural healing processes. Feel more energetic and vibrant with every meal. The recipes in this book are designed to nourish your body and help you regain your vitality. It is a path to feeling your best. Take control of your health with the Candida Cure Cookbook. It is packed with recipes and guidance to help you on your journey. Start your path to wellness today. What we like. This cookbook focuses on resetting your health and restoring vitality. It offers delicious recipes designed to help you feel your best. If you are looking for a comprehensive guide to revitalize your well-being, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great healthy recipes for anyone. Help me to recover my dysbiosis. The recipes are clear and delicious. The recipes are very interesting. The flavors in some of the recipes are very complex, in my opinion, due to a masterful blend of ingredients and different spices. I like that there are many vegetarian options. Number 4. Natural Candida Cleanse, Improve Microbiome in 2 weeks. Are you experiencing discomfort and looking for a natural solution? This guide offers a 2-week program to help you cleanse and restore balance. It focuses on improving your microbiome for better health. This is a healthy treatment guide designed to help you. It provides you with the knowledge and tools needed to support your body's natural processes. You'll learn how to improve your overall well-being. The program is designed to be completed in just 2 weeks. It offers a structured approach to help you achieve your goals. You'll find it easy to follow and effective. This guide emphasizes natural methods for your health. It provides you with the information you need to make informed choices. It's a great way to support your body. Take control of your health with this guide. It's a simple and effective way to improve your well-being. Begin your journey to a healthier you today. What we like. This guide emphasizes improving your microbiome in just 2 weeks. It provides a healthy treatment plan to cleanse your system. If you want a quick and effective cleanse to improve your gut health, you should consider this. What people say. Recipes are easy to follow. The shopping list and treatment plan recipes look great. Simple recipes. Makes the journey to better health reasonable and attainable. Number 3. Candida-free cookbook and action plan. Are you struggling with the effects of Candida overgrowth? This cookbook and action plan is designed to help you. It provides a comprehensive 28-day program to combat yeast and Candida. This plan offers a structured approach to fighting Candida. It includes detailed meal plans, recipes, and actionable steps. Following it can help you regain your health and well-being. Inside, you'll find a variety of delicious recipes. They are specifically designed to support your body's natural defenses. Enjoy flavorful meals while fighting Candida. This plan empowers you to take control of your health. It provides the knowledge and tools needed to reduce Candida overgrowth. Take the first step towards a healthier you. Start your journey to a healthier lifestyle with this cookbook and action plan. It's a practical guide to help you fight yeast and Candida. Begin your 28-day transformation now. What we like. This cookbook provides a 28-day action plan to fight yeast and Candida. It offers a structured approach to help you manage your diet. If you like a detailed plan to combat yeast overgrowth, this cookbook is ideal for you. What people say. Candida-free is not just full of incredibly yummy meal recipes that are easy to prepare even for a beginner cook like me, but it's also loaded with really good information detailing what the Candida issue is, how to diagnose it and how to conquer it. I love the layout, the information, the simplicity, and most of all, the meal plans. The recipes are tastefully and not hard to prepare. I highly recommend that you give it a try. Number 2. Everyday recipes for your Candida diet. Are you looking to improve your gut health? This cookbook offers over 100 easy and delicious recipes. It is designed to help you on your Candida diet journey. This book provides a wide variety of recipes. They are all designed to be simple to make and enjoyable to eat. You will find something for every meal. This cookbook is perfect for those following a Candida diet. It provides guidance and support. It makes it easier to stick to your dietary goals. These recipes are created to be both tasty and beneficial. They will help you feel better. It is a great resource for anyone looking to improve their health. With this cookbook, you can start your journey to a healthier you. It offers a wealth of information and recipes. It is a valuable tool for anyone on the Candida diet. What we like. This cookbook offers over 100 easy and delicious recipes. It focuses on restoring gut health through simple meals. If you have a busy lifestyle and want to maintain a healthy diet, this cookbook is perfect for you. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow. The cookbook provides a lot of information about the Candida diet. The cookbook has a lot of great recipes. Number 1. Candida Cookbook, Essential Recipes and 2-Week Meal Plan. Are you looking for delicious and easy recipes? This cookbook is your guide. It provides essential step-by-step instructions. Inside, you'll find a variety of tasty recipes. They are designed to be easy to follow, making cooking a breeze. This cookbook offers a step-by-step guide. It ensures that you can create amazing meals with confidence. It also includes a 2-week meal plan. This helps you stay on track with your dietary goals. Get your copy of the cookbook today. It's the perfect resource for anyone looking to enjoy healthy and delicious meals. What we like. This cookbook provides an essential step-by-step guide with tasty and easy recipes. It includes a 2-week meal plan to simplify your diet. If you are new to the Candida diet and need a structured plan, it is the best choice. What people say. Great information. Loved lots of the recipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.